You okay up there?
Chance of showers and thunderstorms. In the upper 80s.
Yeah. Can I get to eat?
Rain 50%.
I was going to make
Showers
waffles.
and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows around 70. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday through Friday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Here are the 11 a.m. observations for the area. At the Raleigh-Durham Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 73, and the relative humidity 82%. The wind was southwest at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.08 inches and falling. Elsewhere across the state this hour, at Nashville, it was fair, with a temperature of 79. At Lewisburg, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 79. At Smithfield, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 79. At Charlotte, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 79. At the Piedmont Triad Airport, haze was reported, with a temperature of 82. At Fayetteville, it was fair, with a temperature of 84. At the Rocky Mount Wilson Airport, it was fair, with a temperature of 85. At Wilmington, it was fair, with a temperature of 86. At Beaufort, thunder and fog were reported, with a temperature of 76. The current time is 11:13 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central North Carolina. For today and tonight, slow-moving afternoon and evening thunderstorms will pose a risk of minor flooding, especially in urbanized areas, this afternoon and evening. Additionally, a few strong or severe thunderstorms will be possible this afternoon and evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Slow-moving afternoon and evening thunderstorms will pose a risk of minor flooding, especially in urbanized areas, through Monday. Spotter information.